learning outcome. At end of the class, the students will be able to learn about the area of trapezium. Today's agenda: word of the day, next the formulae to find an area of trapezium, next problems on area of a trapezium, and summary. Instructions: take your textbook, notebook, and pen. Watch the video carefully and note the important points. Next, solve the given worksheets. Word of the day: replace. It's a verb. It means to be used instead of something or somebody. Derivatives: replacement, noun. Next, replaceable, adjective. Usages: replace h by 7 centimeters in the formulae of an area of a trapezium. Next, I need a replacement for my old bike. Namaste to one and all. A warm welcome for today's session. In previous session, we have learnt about the areas of quadrilateral and rhombus. In today's session, we are going to learn about the area of a trapezium. Children, what is a trapezium? Yes, a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Now, let us derive a formula to find an area of a trapezium. So, let us start our today's session. Area of a trapezium. Children, what is trapezium? Yes, a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Now, we are going to derive a formula to find an area of a trapezium. Let us start. Let us take ABCD be a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. Now, let us take the lengths of these two parallel sides as AB is equal to A. Next, CD is equal to B. Now, let us draw two perpendiculars AM and BN to the side CD. Next, let us take the lengths of AM and BN is equal to H, and also let us take the length of DM is equal to C and the length of CN is equal to D. Next, from figure, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to the area of triangle ADM plus area of triangle BNC plus area of rectangle ABNM. Now, let us find the area of each figure. Children, what is the area of a triangle? Yes, it is half into base into height. Now, in triangle ADM, C is the base of this triangle and H is the height of this triangle. So that the area of triangle ADM is equal to half into C into H. Next, in the same way, in triangle BNC, D is the base of this triangle and H is the height of this triangle. So that the area of triangle BNC is equal to half into D into H. Next, children, now let us find the area of the rectangle ABNM. Children, what is the formula to find an area of a rectangle? Yes, it is L into B. For this rectangle, the length is H and breadth is A. So that the area of a rectangle ABNM or AMNB is equal to A into H, that is AH square units. Now, the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle ADM plus area of triangle BNC plus area of rectangle ABNM. Now let us substitute the areas which we got, that is half into C into H plus A into H plus half into D into H. By simplifying, we get half into C into H can be written as CH by 2. A into H can be written as AH. Next, half into D into H can be written as DH by 2. Next, let us take the denominator of AH as 1. Children, now we need to add these three fractions. For that, we need to convert these fractions into like fractions. Children, what are the like fractions? Yes, the fractions whose denominators are equal are called like fractions. Now, to convert into like fractions, we need to multiply AH by 1 with 2 by 2. Isn't it? Yes. Now, by simplifying these two fractions, we get CH by 2 plus 2 into AH, which is equal to 2AH, whole by 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus DH by 2. Now, these three are like fractions, so we can add the numerators directly. Then we get CH plus 2AH plus DH whole by 2. Children, is there any term which is common from the numerator? Yes. H is common from all the three terms. So that let us take H as a common factor. Then what it remains? By taking H as a common factor, it remains H into bracket of C plus 2A plus D. Now, let us write 2A as A plus A. Can we write, children? Yes. Now, from this expression, let us write C, A and D together in one bracket. Then we get H into C plus A plus D in one bracket and one more A let us write outside the bracket. Now look at the figure, children. From figure, D to M is C. Next, M to N is A. Next, N to C is D. Now, let us add all these three together. That is C plus A plus D, which is equal to B. Isn't it, children? So, let us substitute the value of C plus A plus D as B. Then we get H into B plus A whole by 2. Therefore, the area of a trapezium ABCD is equal to 1 by 2, that is half into h into a plus b. Children, this is the formula to find an area of a trapezium, that is once again half into h into a plus b. In this formula, h is equal to height of a trapezium or the distance between parallel sides of a trapezium. So here AM and BN are also called as the distance between the two parallel sides AB and CD. Next, A and B are the lengths of parallel sides. Now let us solve some examples based on the area of a trapezium. First one, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are of length 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters and the distance between them is 4 centimeters. Let us start. Let ABCD be a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Next, the lengths of parallel sides are given as 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters, so that let A is equal to 10 centimeters. Next, B is equal to 12 centimeters. And the distance between the parallel sides is given as 4 centimeters, which is nothing but h is equal to 4 centimeters. Now we need to find the area of a trapezium by using these three measurements. Children, what is the area of a trapezium? Yes, the formula to find an area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. Now let us substitute the values of a, b and h. Then we get half into h, which is equal to 4. Next a, which is equal to 10, and b, which is equal to 12. Now let us cancel 4 and 2 in 2 times. Then it remains 2 into 10 plus 12, which is equal to 22. 2 22s, which is equal to 44. Therefore, the area of a trapezium is equal to 44 centimeters square. Next, the area of a trapezium shaped table is 480 centimeters square. Next, the height is 15 meters and one of the parallel side is 20 meters. Find the other side. Children, in this question, the area of a trapezium is given. Next, the height of a trapezium is given. And also, one of the parallel side is given. Now, we need to find the length of another parallel side. So, let us start. According to the problem, let A is equal to 20 meters and H is equal to 15 meters. Next, the area of a trapezium is equal to 480 meters square. Next, children, what is the formula to find an area of a trapezium? Yes, it is half into h into a plus b is equal to 480. Now, let us substitute the values of a and h in this formula. Then we get half into 15 into 20 plus b is equal to 480. Children, now let us shift this 2 which is present in the denominator from LHS to RHS. Then it will multiply. Then we get 15 into 20 plus b is equal to 480 into 2. Now let us multiply 15 with 20 as well as 15 with b. Then we get 15 into 20 which is equal to 300. Next 15 into b is equal to 15b. Next 480 into 2 which is equal to 960. Now let us shift 300 from LHS to RHS. Then we get 15b is equal to 960 minus 300. By subtracting these two numbers, we get 15b is equal to 660. Now let us shift 15 from LHS to RHS. Then we get b is equal to 660 by 15. Now let us cancel 660 with 15 in 44 times. So the value of b is equal to 44. Here b is nothing but the length of another parallel side which is equal to 44 meters. Next, the area of a trapezium is 180 centimeters square and its height is 12 centimeters. If one of the parallel sides is double that of the other, find two parallel sides. Children, in this problem, the area of a trapezium is given. Next, the height of a trapezium is also given. Next, the relation between the two parallel sides is given. That is, one of the parallel side is double the other. Then we need to find what are the lengths of two parallel sides. Let us start. According to the problem, height which is equal to 12 centimeters. Next, the area of a trapezium is equal to 180 centimeters square. According to the problem, the relation between the two parallel sides is one of the parallel side is double the other. So, let us take if a is equal to x, then b will become 2x. Next, the area of a trapezium is equal to 180 centimeters square. Now let us take its formula, that is half into h into a plus b is equal to 180. Now let us substitute the values of a, b and h in this formula. Then we get half into h which is equal to 12, a which is equal to x and b which is equal to 2x. Now let us cancel 12 and 2 in 2 table by 6 times. Then it remains 6 into x plus 2x which is equal to 3x is equal to 180. Next, by multiplying 6 into 3x, we get 18x is equal to 180. Now let us shift 18 from LHS to RHS. Then it will become x is equal to 180 by 18. Now you can cancel 180 with 18 in 10 times. Then the value of x is equal to 10. Now we need to find the values of a and b, which are nothing but the lengths of parallel sides. We have taken a is equal to x, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Next, b is equal to 2x, which is nothing but 2 into 10 is equal to 20 centimeters. Therefore, the lengths of two parallel sides are 10 centimeters and 20 centimeters. That's all for today's session. By this, we have completed the perimeter and areas of 2D shapes. Now, I request all of you to complete the textbook problems from exercise 11.1 and 11.2 based on the perimeters and areas of these 2D shapes. We shall meet again in the next video with the 3D shapes. Thank you.